everyone, it's Parishka here. Welcome back. So we're gonna do some bathroom deco today. The bathroom is actually my favorite room in the house, which is weird because I spend so little time in there. But I love it. Just having like a beautiful bathroom makes me feel good. It makes me feel good in the morning after I shower. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a couple of things in my bathroom. So for some reason, I hate clothes shopping and I hate grocery shopping, but deco shopping is like the best thing ever for me. So I went out and I bought this bathroom tray from just a craft shop that I really liked. So I'm going to be showing you how I style this as well. So the first DIY that we're doing, it's actually more of a hack. I get my lotion in a little bottle that looks like this. And I think these bottles are very cute. I love these little press down bottles. But my toner comes like this. So I finished my old lotion and I kept the bottle, and then all I did with that is I just washed out all the lotion in there. I gave it a nice good wash. I took out the sticker and then I spray painted it this nice matte black color, and then I just put that on my tray next to this lotion, and I think it looks really nice and cohesive and just put together really nicely. So I got these jars from the Crazy Store. And I want to use this for my cotton wool and for my earbuds, because you always just need storage for that. You always need them. But they have these weird like tops. No offense to Crazy Store. Maybe people love it. I love the Crazy Store. I like shop there all the time. I'm always at the Crazy Store. But this just is like really weird. So I got these little beads from my craft store, which are really cute. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick them onto the lids like this to form little knots. How cute is that? And then I'm going to spray paint the tops matte black as well. I went back and forth so many times on what color I wanted this tray to be. I ended up mixing this white and cream paint to create this color. I don't know what it's called, but I got this gold bottle and it just didn't work with this color. So I went back to good old trusted white, and I love how this turned out. For the next project, my pastor found this really cute toilet paper holder on Pinterest, and I really wanted to try make it. So I went to the wood store and got this piece of wood. I just made sure that it was big enough for the toilet paper to fit in it. And then I measured out the toilet paper. I wanted to get about 4 toilet papers in here, and then I used that to just decide where I needed to cut the wood. So something I learned from the last project is to just put something straight like a ruler or a piece of wood next to the jigsaw when I cut, to make sure that my lines are really nice and straight. Once everything was cut, I just sanded down the edges to smooth it out a little bit. And then I glued everything together. I was going to use some screws in here, but this wood glue was strong enough and it wasn't going to be used for anything hectic or any weight, so I thought this would be perfect. I didn't get it on film, but I also did use my angle ruler just to make sure that everything was square and at 90 degrees. And then I took a piece of toilet paper to just wipe away all the excess glue. So the last thing I did for this project is just take some gel stain and my microfiber cloth, and I just stained it a little bit of a darker wood, and I thought it turned out really well. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great Saturday.